Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experiences with us. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.